NocoBase is an open-source, low-code development platform. Let's set it up in your AWS account. You can find the link to the developer guide below in the description. It's also available under the Additional Resources section on the product page. If you have fulfilled all the prerequisites, you can proceed with the setup. Click View Purchase option. To begin, click the Subscribe button. Please wait 3 minutes. Click Launch your software. Select your preferred AWS region. Click Launch with CloudFormation. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Enter an admin email. You don't need to change this. Provide a deployment name. Provide a public domain name for domain name. Select your preferred instance type. Default is T3.small. Select your preferred key name. Enter your dashboard email. Enter your dashboard password. Set SSH location 0.0.0.0/0. Keep subnet CIDR block and VPC CIDR block as default. Click Next. Tick the box I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next. Review and verify your details. Click Submit. Please wait 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. Once CloudFormation is complete, copy the public IP from the Outputs tab. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. Select the correct hosted zone. Click Create Record. Enter your domain name. Paste the copied public IP address into the value field. Click Create Record. You can generate SSL manually. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where your private key is stored. Type yes and press Enter. Once inside the server, run the following command. In our example, SSL is already set up. Open your browser and go to your configured domain. Enter the admin details you set during deployment. Congratulations! You now have NocoBase running in your AWS account.